Welcome back, you guys. Sorry we've been out for a while. We just had some big boy jobs we had to do. So now we're back. We're gonna continue back on the 140 here. We left off last time because we didn't have enough support up front to start pulling the gearbox. So we built a little support for the airframe. We just a couple, some box tubing, and just welded it up with some little adjustable spots there, so when we work on other ones we could adjust it for the airplane. So now it's fully supported, so now we can pull the gearbox out and then clean it all up and throw the new one on there, or the used serviceable one in there, and start going from there. So yeah, we'll continue with all the updates while we're doing it, and like I said, if you guys like, hit the subscribe button, and we'll continue with these cool videos. So thank you.
Here we're reaching up under the dash to disconnect the control cables from the clevis pin and a cotter pin, and then we're going to route those back through the gearbox. To get that free, there's also a battery cable as well as the nav light electric cables that have to be pulled through the gearbox and out of the way before you can remove the gearbox. As you can see, it's a little bit of a stretch to get up under there and release those cables from the chains, but easily doable.
This is not attached to anything anymore. The units are drilled out. Tap on the steel, the front from the inside, and see if we can get it. Pry bar. When in doubt, pry bar. There's no leverage because go down with it, right? You can angle it a little bit more. think we're gonna. Don't struggle as much getting there, I don't think.
So that's the old one. All right, gearbox is out.
Aftermath.
It was a struggle, but I think we won that fight.
All right, guys, welcome back. We finally got the gearbox out. It was a little bit of a nightmare, more than what we thought, but it was kind of our bad, just because there was a little flush rivet that was hidden that we couldn't see, so we couldn't maneuver the gearbox how it was supposed to come out. So we kind of fought it for a little bit, thinking that we had all the rivets and tails pretty much removed, so our bad on that part. But now I can explain how we had to take it off. So the gearbox, there's a lip on this top sheet metal here, so you can't really just push it down just because it's the flanges are on this skin. So what we had to do is just, once that rivet was finally out, it was a twist forward and then down, and then it came out like butter. It pretty much just fell on the ground. So like I said, we had just one little rivet that was behind this little channel that was flush, and it was under the skin, the actual primary skin we took off first, so we couldn't really see it versus the other rivets, so we didn't initially see it. So we took it off, and after that it just came right out. So next time, hopefully there isn't a next time, but just make sure, look for all your little rivets. So the gearbox is out, our replacement is right there, but what we're gonna do first, before we actually go ahead and put the other one in, we are gonna clean all this 40-50 years of lubing up the pedals and little critters and stuff in there. We're gonna degrease it, power wash it. Same thing with the belly here. There's a bunch of also grime, dirt, and then a little bit of surface corrosion. It's not bad, so we are gonna scuff it up and do a nice acid wash and corrosion preventing iodine on there, so we don't have to do any other treatment on there. And then we'll put the gearbox in, but that also has to get treated and primed for the exterior part of it, so the steel structural parts don't get corroded after time. So we'll primer that up. So next time we'll go through all those. We'll show you how to do all the nice corrosion prevention, all the iodine etching and all that stuff on there before we put it all back together. So yeah, just if you guys have any questions, comments, shoot us a line, and make sure you subscribe, and then we'll keep giving you guys more updates and videos. Thank you.